Question third, find difference. First 5 by 6 minus 1 by 4. Denominator difference 6 and 4. Therefore LCM of 6 and 4 is equal to 12. Both denominator convert into 12. First fraction 5 by 6. 6 multiple 2 we get 12. Therefore denominator multiple 2. Also numerator multiple 2. Second fraction 1 by 4. Denominator 4 multiply 3 we get 12. Denominator multiple 3. Also numerator multiple 3. 5 2s are 10 by 6 2s are 12. Minus 3 1s are 3 by 4 3s are 12. Denominator same 12. Numerator 10 minus 3 by 12. 10 minus 3 7 by 12. Second example 11 by 8 minus 3 by 4. Denominator 8 and 4. LCM of 8 and 4 is equal to 8. First fraction 11 by 8. Second fraction 3 by 4. Denominator 4. If denominator multiple 2 we get 8. Also numerator multiple 2. 11 by 8 minus 3 to the 6 by 4 to the 8. Denominator same 8. 11 minus 6 is equal to 11 minus 6 5 by 8. Example third. Minus 7 by 9 minus into bracket minus 2 by 3. Minus 7 by 9 minus minus plus 2 by 3. Denominator 9 and 3. LCM is 9. First fraction minus 7 by 9 plus second fraction 2 by 3. Denominator 3 multiply 3 we get 9. Therefore denominator multiple 3. Also numerator multiple 3. Minus 7 by 9 plus 2 3 is 6 by 9. Denominator same 9. First numerator minus 7 plus second numerator 6. Minus 7 plus 6 minus 1 by denominator 9.